wozala shala wozala sidla ubusha wozona.
The safety you need and the fun you want. There's space for every fun in the Toyota Starlet.
Ituski TV, powered by World Sports Betting, ituskitimes.co.za. Match day 28 for Mamelodi Sundowns, match day 27 for Kaizer Chiefs. Umdlalo Betway Premiership for this season, CAT 2025-2026. A Loftus Stadium, it is sold out Loftus Stadium. It's Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Kaizer Chiefs 1. They drew first leg walomdlalo FNB earlier on in the season, playing 0-0. Namhlanje they played 2-1-1. Man of the match, Thabiso Monyane. Junior, do you agree?
Man of the match, Brandon Peterson. Goalkeeper, I think the Peterson, that's man of the match for me. But he gave me Paula, it's a game of opinion, obvious. But for me, I think Peter Peterson. Shane Gunjan Fitch.
I'm okay.
Sharp Bulisa and Bulisu Justice, Bulisu Kululego. Mbulise Bobo, Mbulise Machaka, Mbulise Benedict Sovilagas. Eba Fetu Gunjan, keep on supporting it, Ituski TV, fighting no one, try to fix South African football.
Junior, sorry, go Carter. As we ask, njemba silapha ku Ituski TV, njemba siyahamba kwi-platform, ngendawo. Some of us are using public transport, some of us is cars. So, abanye bethu bayamamela bathi man, I think I met about 3 people, but man, Shane, what you did to Junior Kanye, that episode, remember when we were doing an episode, I think, against Chiefs, was it Sundowns, when they beat people who want to sit on Sunday?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so remember when I cut you, Ndabizu Ngulego, and asked him for his opinion. So I think some of them, they didn't like that. So,
and it was
but yeah, I've been to because I respect them, because they watch videos each and every day. I apologize for cutting you off on Sunday in the game between Mamelodi Sundowns and Ipulukwane City. It wasn't intentional. It's content. Sometimes as Nizunas is plan, as Yenze okay, this question, I would like to ask the question Gubobo or Gutso or Gungulego. So that's what happened. It wasn't because I was disrespecting Junior, but okay, Mastuli Apa.
Yeah, I mentioned before, I've got big respect for you. I want to just pendulela. There was nothing intentional, because even after that we spoke. There's nothing. But there was nothing. But thanks for doing that as well. Because I've got big respect for you. I know you respect me as well.
So much.
Yeah, Shane, going to, I think the referee decided they came today. Referee decided they came. I'm a decision I watched it. Senkulmanga both teams. Ma offside, not offside. Giving Uchedi Adams a red card, I don't have a problem. Especially because after kicking, especially too.
Oh,
They had an intention to play the ball. But before Ndlovu is a red card.
That one on Cubido.
Red card.
Straight red.
There's a fracture here. Umchita now away from his sponsor.
I mean, if there's a fracture, I think he's out for the rest of the season, because I remember that injury. Thabiso Lebitso suffered the same injury and he was out for a very long time. So I'm just hoping Cubido can recover quickly. But the Champions League final is next week, of which is Gakwe fracture. I don't think is available, but Sundowns will give an update. Let's continue, Junior.
Truly speaking, Shane, iplanda lapha uReverend Lenzile nama assistants wakhe. I mean, it's a red card feature. Mkhahlelile lapha mfethu uNdlovu. Kwesi-2 uyishamda nge-elbow. Kwesi-3 uyibamba uJaden Adams. So it's been getting away. Ngibona uReverend khuluma naye. Now this guy, he came second half what diver. I don't mind with him red cut sharp. Magam chachel with divile. Which is, I believe, gonna contact you. But you could red cut to Chadin, mean I've got nothing. Second, mean I've been Uchadin be me chole lapa because we have an intention to play the game ball. Ukabin jum to any ball away from that. First thing to compliment a certain players to Kaizer Chiefs. Goalkeeper Brandon Peterson, 2 centre back, Given Simang,
and also the man of the match,
Edin McCarthy, Thabiso Monyane, left wing back also Lomchitu Cross. The rest, honestly speaking, they came here. I think they were. It was like as they came them to win my emotions. But Kaizer Chiefs players never came to the party, especially attacking players.
It was a physical game.
Yeah, Liepo, Mabuye, as well off. I will be honest. Undlovu unelakhi nje. Into besimbona ngama-foul. I didn't see much ukuthi what is he doing when he's got the ball or when Kaizer Chiefs has the ball. Bengifuna ukubona, I didn't see much. Modi did nothing as usual. And Silva has just got a goal. Well done to Umtu. I'll give it a benefit of the doubt. I think Umtu incedile Kaizer Chiefs, especially assisted umfana.
Yeah.
And beganceda to cool up the game. Yabo babambela ibhola. Yabo to run off the ball as well. Lapana always setting himself free. Well done. Akusukuthi ngithi it was one of the best game for Umtu mara bekuyi threat because kube ne assist Umtu. Mawungabheka Ronwen Williams costly mistake leyenzile lapha. Khaba ibhola Ronwen. Yekela intali ezisnack. Sometimes you are not stupid to kick the ball lambile phambili. Luwele afina ama opponents buye ser group. Angithi ku tight lento identity yethu. Now these people they mustard. Actually we are caught up now. Basibambile. Just khaba ibhola mfethu. Le phambili sibuye ser cup. So now Ronwen when is plan lapha but Umtu welanda ukuthi abe so brave ukuthi 10 umfana lapha killer pass nokutimer ubreaker le line we Silva a finishing on left. But all in all, Shane, so compliment midfield Sundowns, which is with Jaden Adams, Mkwena Allen, they did very well. Mshishi was the weakest link at Sundowns, I need to be honest to you. Medicine is a piece. Mshishi has done well for South African football. But truly speaking, lately at Sundowns, if Uzobega Ununo ngaphandle for Mshishi, it's a problem. Yeah, well, that's for me. Observer, ngiyazi ibhola it's a game of opinion. Because game yamanje ifuna speed a bit. Speed running not nje. Yabona you run when it's necessary. So uNuno ufike wa it speed there was a spark, sense of agency more. Umshishi run off the ball, not nothing. And mawungabheka Sundowns overload iside la left the first half. Dangerous threat because Umdiba was bigger Kupuga. On the right hand side, not much because of Modi become a wing back now because we are Zomaka, Amakumdao. And Kaizer Chiefs not much in Kulmanga first half. They got the goal, nothing else. But sometimes Kulmanga midfield. Manga Pega they had difference between pass, they keep Jaden Adams. Good run for this guy Lino.
Leon, sorry.
Yeah, that's the ball that guy. Unfortunate to shade the lapa, lose the balance. Goalkeeper nae, well done with a Puma Valley Engel. Also when the Nipola, I think it's manje second half. Goalkeeper I think is safe. The Pola the last 10 minutes. Lady given Simon. I mean the Pola Lila. But we Sundowns.
That was a game changer.
Yeah, I think Sundowns will on top. So Sundowns. It's only red card, but they stick to their philosophy, their identity. They dominate this game, honestly. Dominated the game.
Tell me, Junior, when Kaizer Chiefs, when Sundowns got that red card, Chiefs had only made one sub, of which has really Kandlovu, Bafaka Umteto.
Sundowns came.
No. Umfundo came second. Yeah, I think very late. When you look at the technical team of Kaizer Chiefs, when it's Sundowns, if you red card, do you think Bebana's intention to go, okay, by shorter, we can get something out of this game, or do you think they were satisfied with coming out with the draw Loftus?
Yeah, they wanted a draw. Truly speaking, Shane, pound to pound, they can't make Sundowns players. But well done to Chiefs, we love stars actually go look at draw. I mean, it's not easy. Nyabaniga, in terms of they were very aggressive. 2 games, they approach the game, they're similar like the Pirates. They approach the game exactly similar like that. It's just that today they're not playing about 3 central midfielders, but they were very aggressive. But they were respecting Sundowns. They were defending too deep. Defender deep. Nkulumanga attackers were drop. Almost I center they start pressing, respecting Sundowns. But Chiefs very aggressive. Well done to them, honestly, to get a goal. And we change the complexion of the game. They goal. Sundowns they were chasing a game now. Now we have a panic. Sundowns, if I can be honest with you. Now they had to bring Ununo. Also bring Umrena. Well done. Good cross, I think. Now very dangerous. On the right hand side, Bebasman speed. Both players.
They brought Nuno and Urena's.
They brought Nuno and Umrena.
Oh, Umrena second half. Yeah.
Yes.
Umrena came in second half.
Yeah, Urena's just came now lately. Ibulele playing a coach, Caruso. I think he wanted to play with 2 strikers. But Imshail, I think Ambulala. But well done to Chiefs for going there. get a draw. But Sundowns, mfethu mina noma ngabe badrawile la, mfethu they gave it all. One of the best team, mina ngisazosho Shane, they play beautiful football and worse now they can punish you as well. But in today's game, unfortunately the referee gave them a red card. And it changed the complexion of the game. Benga nang kingu referee ukunika uJaden Adams red card, but bekumela amnike. Nanga amnikanga lekuqala bekumela amnike but umuntu bekumela aphume ekuqala Shane. La uNdlovu, and honestly speaking, I don't think igame bengaphela ngalendlela ephele ngayo.
Tell me, Junior, I mean, coming into umdlalo namhlanje, Sundowns might have dominated the game, yes. It is expected that they will always dominate the game regardless of your opponent. We've seen Al Ali coming there, we've seen Wydad coming there, getting above 5. But Kaizer Chiefs must have done something namhlanje to get that result. Remember their last game, they lost to Swelele 2-0 and they were so poor. But namhlanje, they showed ukuthi they are even position abakuyo, even in current form, they are still one of the biggest teams in SA. What did Chiefs do right namhlanje in order for them to perform a result?
Not to concede any goal. Concede any goal. I know ukuthi siyazidlala one of the best team in Africa as a whole. They did very well, right? Azange ba concede early. They maintain Sundowns score, I think, second half. 45 minutes, they maintain Sundowns. They even get the goal born. Interban's right. And they were very aggressive. I mean, this is not to say they play pretty football. They win ugly, but they give it all. I think I'm a player, they double up effort. And they take instruction from the coaches. Everybody from the impress. I think they are not one of the best pretty playing team. But they give everything. And they less concede goals. They've got Brendan Peterson, which is Nami, if honestly speaking, we go pros honestly, if
he was there at Loftus.
Yeah, but truly speaking, in the course, beginning build up focus because of difficult. But Nami, Kwamanyama games, Senkulma, if they were friendly games, Bengzomnigi chance. I mean, the guy did very well. I mean, Lepola Lely, it's a killer punch there. Lehman just saved the last 10 minutes. Lely, this is a goal, in fact. It just it put his body between the lines. So well done to Peterson. I think he did very well. And we say Kaizer Chiefs. I mean, by Sundowns, Benga shoot by 9. Kaizer Chiefs, they were more. Because Kaizer Chiefs, they were defending still too deep. And I couldn't understand why. Leaving this guy Silva him alone. And they couldn't even make 5 passes. Very difficult. And but well done with Batuli Tromel, especially Zandla. Sundowns, they were chasing a league. Very bon, it was expected goodbye Pambili. Either way, no mangabe Sundowns, they were supposed to go up front. Attack, no mangabe badlala.
Now, Sesivala, just as a sneaky signal, the result yanamhlanje ithethe ukuthini for nge title race.
Mina ngisasho namhlanje. I don't think Orlando Pirates they will win all their games.
Yeah.
Sundowns ngisasho izoyithatha le league.
That is Junior Khanye. He never changes his mind. He sticks to his words. And abechilo beginning of the season, ukuthi Sundowns uzayithatha i-league, uzayithatha i-CAF Champions League, usacho namhlanje. But the Loftus Stadium namhlanje, the sold out Loftus Stadium, it's Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Kaizer Chiefs 1. Thank you so much for watching Itiski TV.
Hola bafethu, this is Junior Khanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, subscribe to Itiski TV.